So we're going to review what we've talked about in terms of finding transformations, and then you're going to work on a worksheet that helps you, or that will allow you to explore that topic a little bit further. So question 1 here says write the vertex form of a quadratic equation. And again, we've done this multiple times, but it's important to get this down pat. So the vertex form of a quadratic equation is y is equal to a times, in brackets, x minus h all squared plus k. Okay. So number 2 says, what does changing the a variable do to the graph of a quadratic? And so it will either stretch, so it'll either stretch the quadratic, it will compress the quadratic, or it will flip it upside down. Okay, so it can flip it upside down. Okay, so question number 3 says, being very specific, name 3 ways that a parabola changes with different types of a values. So when a equals a negative number, okay, or less than 0, the parabola is upside down. Okay. If, however, a is equal to a positive number, then it's right side up. Okay, so it opens up. If a value, let's put quotation marks around them. If the a value is bigger than 1, then it's stretched. Okay, so it becomes tall and thin. If the a value is between, okay, that's what BT stands for, between 0 and 1, so it's less than 1 but bigger than 0, then it becomes compressed. Okay, so number 4 says, what does changing the h variable do to the graph of quadratic? It moves it left or right. Okay. Number 5, if the h is positive, how does the parabola move? Okay, well, if the h value is positive, then it moves right. Okay, if the h value is negative, then it moves left. Okay. Number 6 here says, what does changing the k variable do to the graph of a quadratic? Moves it up or down. Moves it up or down. If the k value is positive, then it moves up. If the k value is negative, then it moves down. Okay. So what conclusions can you make about the variables of h and k together? Well, h and k together are the vertex of your parabola. The h value is also your axis of symmetry, your AOS, your axis of symmetry, and your k value is the same as your optimum value. Okay, so the vertex form of the quadratic equation is super useful in terms of being able to pull the most characteristics of a parabola out, and definitely something that you should be reviewing.